Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a game-changing tutorial for all of you. Ever wondered how to turn the hottest trends into your own masterpiece and make money selling AI-generated illustrations like this? Well, stick around because we've got a step-by-step guide just for you. Step 1. Find out best-selling product. First, you have to find out a best-selling product. For that, head over to stock.adobe.com and type best-selling product in the search bar. Then click on the View panel and select the Illustrations option. Now choose your desired orientation and sort the items by downloads. Now select an image you like, copy its title, and save it in a notepad. Additionally, copy the similar keywords and save them in the same notepad. Step 2. Creating the same artwork. To create AI-generated artwork like this, you have to use text-to-image generator tools. In this tutorial, I will use Adobe Text-to-Image Generator, but you might use any preferred AI generator. Find the link in the description below. Create a prompt with this title and tag. Then copy and paste it here to create a similar image like that. Step 3. Image upscaling. Your AI-generated image may be low resolution. In that case, you have to upgrade your image. For that, head over to imageupscaler.com and upload the image. Here, you have two options for enhancing your image, 200% and 400%. Choose 400%, click the Start button, and wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, download the image and save it to your computer. Step 4. Creating title and description. In this step, you have to create a title for your image using the related keywords. For that, go to ChatGPT, ask to make an SEO-friendly title, and also find keywords separately with commas. You can also ask ChatGPT to create SEO-friendly descriptions for your Adobe Stock product. Step 5. Create an account and upload images. To create an account, head over to stock.adobe.com and click on the Sell button, then select Join Now, and then sign up for a seller account using either Google or Facebook to complete the sign-up process. Now, upload your image by entering its title, description, and keywords in the respective fields. Make sure to select the Created Using Generative AI Tools option. Afterward, click the Submit button and be patient as it undergoes moderation, which typically takes 2 to 3 days. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorial like this. Thanks for watching and goodbye.